Hi there, in this video I'll let you guys know how to link your Xbox account to EA account. To do it so you have to follow the steps. First of all, open up your browser and come to ea.com. After which you want to click on the profile initials from the top right and sign in to your account. So I'll just quickly go ahead and sign in. So once you are logged in, once again you want to click the profile initials from the top of the page and then go to account settings. So for the verification, you might be asked to enter in the code that will be sent to your registered email. So you want to quickly do it or enter in the information and click on the sign in button. So after you're logged in, you want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and click on connected accounts. As you go to connected account, over here you want to locate Xbox, click that out, and if you're sure about it, click on continue. Then you want to click on accept the terms and condition. Make sure to read all of these terms as well. And once you've actually done it, so click on link account, and this way you'll have successfully linked your EA account to Xbox. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.